stop it. If your teen has been harmed by social media like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, or YouTube, then you could be eligible for significant compensation. If you'd like to discuss a lawsuit, text WORD to 323232. WORD to 323232. WORD to 323232.
Paid non-attorney spokesperson, Media Advertising Specialists, LLC, is responsible for the content of this ad with principal offices in Chicago, Illinois.
Small and mid-sized businesses, get ready. The 2026 Regional Procurement Summit is coming March 18th and 19th. Day 1 delivers powerful training on capability statements, proposals, bonding, and compliance taught by industry experts. Day 2 brings high-impact opportunity.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, western Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., showers producing strong wind gusts were located along a line extending from near Antioch to Dillon to near Blue Brick, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 5:53 p.m., the Florence Airport reported a gust of 58 miles per hour. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Marion, Dillon, Whiteville, Mullins, Elizabethtown, Red Springs, Pembroke, Fairmont, Tabor City, St. Paul's, Chedward, Bladenboro, Latta, Pamplico, Roland, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Sellers, and Boardman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.